Hey folks, morning, welcome. It is Monday, August 27, almost the end of the 8th month, believe it or not.
Trust me, Christmas.
It is soon Christmas.
Christmas Carol, which one you want to hear first? We should play one this morning.
Yeah.
Oh, come all ye
Stop
faithful.
that.
It's time.
Yeah, we should have clear one. But let me welcome everyone on onespotmedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJam, TVJ, and also on television, Jamaica.com. Hope you're all ready to go.
Can we hear Jingle Bells?
Yeah,
Ask
Jingle
the
Bells.
producer if we can hear Jingle Bells.
Yeah, we want to hear a Christmas card this morning, please. So can you guys find one before we go
Which
into
one
it?
you want them to find? Can we hear
The
Jingle Bells?
greatest one is the Oh Holy Night, and the greatest version.
No, but that's not a morning vibe.
Yeah,
You want
the
a
greatest.
morning
Well,
vibe.
Jingle Bells. Yeah, Jingle Bells. And the greatest version is Mariah Carey. To me,
Oh, Holy Night?
Oh Holy Night? Another one there.
Yes, Mariah's
Yeah.
version is very good.
It's the greatest Christmas card ever made in
I
life.
thought Celine was your favorite Christmas carol.
No, that is my favorite Christmas card.
Oh,
and
Holy
then
Night.
Luther Vandross has one that says
Every
this is Christmas
year.
Day or something like that.
Oh yeah.
So it is Christmas Day.
This is Christmas.
Yeah.
I like Someday at Christmas by Stevie Wonder.
Yep, that's wonderful also.
And
Yep.
several others.
Are we going to get my Jingle Bells? So
Yes, we're
Sakina
gonna.
called me, you know. Sakina called me Jingle Bells.
This I know.
I had to call her Sakina.
I
though.
see you work with her Friday though.
I missed you though.
You tell them to send me home Friday so you could
No,
work
I
with
did
her.
not.
Yes, you did.
It's
I got
so
the memo loud
it's
and
so
clear.
funny. And I said
Tell
at
me
the start,
Thursday
I
night,
said there's
Devil's not
nothing wrong.
interested
I
in
said
working
there's
with
nothing
me.
wrong with her.
He would
She's
like a
just-
change of scenery.
No, sir, I never
He
said
would
that.
like somebody younger.
What?
I said, okay.
Who
Call
told you that?
Sakiyaki because I am an old truck. She's a shiny new.
Well, that
Yang
is almost true. But no, but you're not a truck. You are.
What did you just say?
You're not a chuck. I am giving you a compliment. You're old, but you're not a chuck.
Let me tell you something about old room versus new room.
Yeah, but I missed you on Friday.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, I always miss you.
Yeah, whatever.
I'm serious. So you good? You had a
I
good
did
weekend?
not miss you.
You did. So
Not.
stop.
Never.
You had a good weekend?
I was working.
Not
It was a good
You
weekend.
could have a good weekend and work.
It was a good weekend.
Let's say
It
if
was
you
a good
enjoy
weekend.
what you're doing, it's not work.
Yes, it was a long weekend, but it was a good weekend. Very productive.
Okay.
Thanks for asking.
Yeah, you're welcome. You didn't ask me.
Oh, did you ever? Sorry.
No, you see the fact that I had
So
to
then you
beg.
had a good
You
weekend?
see the fact that I had to beg for the ask and not answer you.
No, you never really begged.
I
You were
did,
just
that's-
reminded me that I didn't remember
Because that's
to
not
ask you after you
that's
asked me.
not quite manageable. What's on it?
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So, Nev, did you have a good weekend?
Why you want to know though?
I just thought it was manageable to ask.
Yes, I did. Give
Okay.
thanks.
I'm
Give
so
thanks.
happy to hear that.
Give thanks. You know, I just look at the top of the newspaper and boy. You come in and
I
know
can't
what.
process that. None at all.
Yeah. The top says, stop killing our children. This is coming from our Prime Minister. And the horrific loss
a
of life at
beautiful
14-year-old
girl.
Tanya Francis of Arnett Gardens. Wow. Phew. And so I don't know if you know the story, but apparently she was raped and then burnt. And apparently she was calling for help. Not certain if some people realized what was going on. I don't want to give anyone a hard time, but apparently she was calling for help and she never got the help, obviously. So we send condolences to the family. Oh, how you come out of something like this? As a mother, as a father, as a brother, a sister, I don't know how you come out of something.
I can't.
That's just madness. I want to say good morning to Constables Gray, Crossman, and Bennett. I think, if my memory is right, that they're from Hammond Barracks. I met them on Friday. I have to say I was absolutely incredibly impressed with them.
Oh,
I was amazingly impressed with them.
what? They took good care in putting on the handcuffs?
No, you know, I just saw them. They were at St. George's College, and we had a long talk because they were walking towards me, and I was driving out, and they kind of said, "We just come for here yesterday." So I stopped and I had a long talk with them. We were just chatting about everything. And, you know, when I was leaving, I just feel like I wanted to do something for them, and so I turned around and I said, "I want to buy one a drink still." You know? And they refused.
No.
Yeah, they refused it.
They should have arrested you.
No, I mean, I wasn't trying to do nothing. We were just having a really nice talk, and I was so impressed with them. I was impressed with them more, not just for that, but just the way they were speaking, and we were talking about school and young people and what goes on in Jamaica and stuff, and they were so impressive. So again, Constables Gray, Crossman, and Bennett. I hope, I think they told me Harmon Barracks, so I hope I got that right. But it was great to meet you. It was fantastic to have a chat with you. And
so that,
if I did something wrong, I apologize for that. But I was impressed because in other cases, it happens even the other way around, which I don't always like. But
they ask you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which I don't.
So that money that you was going to give to them on Friday to buy them a drinks, what you do with it?
It's in my pocket still,
Okay.
because I never take it.
You know, I'm feeling a little thirsty.
You see, I was hoping you would
Feeling
take
a little thirsty,
I was
you know.
hoping you would take a page out of the constable's book, but obviously not. But I was impressed. And as I said, it was just because I was so impressed. I just wanted
We
to.
have some good
Yeah, man.
people in the force.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
For
man.
sure. That
Yep.
is for sure.
Also want to say good morning to Sherrett Henry. I should have done this before. No, I don't know. Well, you weren't here because we have band Wednesday, Papito, and the band she is the band leader's mom, and apparently she watches us all the time. So I thank you so much, man, for watching, and I hope you have a great day. All right.
I guess there are no jingle bells today, huh?
I guess, because we not hear it all now. I did say morning to the one spot people.
I
then,
don't remember.
Yes, I did.
You just been chatting since 6 o'clock.
I did.
6 what that's 8?
Yeah, so it's 8 minutes we chat.
8 minutes. We.
Yeah.
We.
So what's on the show?
I don't know what version that is, but it was.
Jingle bells. It's jingle bells.
It's Christmas, guys.
Well, not really, but so.
By the time you quint.
Yeah.
As we're confusing a lot of.
Can you imagine somebody
going,
wake up and say,
huh?
"I so long may I sleep?" That is December already. Let me just go up a bit a while ago.
No joke. So September is on us.
Yeah.
When do the Christmas commercials start running?
About October.
October.
Yeah. Yep.
We're there.
Yep.
Don't know. I'm even feeling like a change of temperature in the mornings now.
Yep.
So when you come out now, it's like a more breeze and
Yes,
thing a
ma'am.
morning time. So
So you can
trust
say
me.
the first Christmas card of the year is
Smile Jamaica.
Smile Jamaica. Look at you.
Presents, we take
But
presents
Francois, I'm going to usually play it all
from
June.
July. That is correct.
From all
You
June
probably
it
did beat
start.
us to it, but
All right,
maybe not
what's up this
time.
morning?
All right, folks, here's what's on the show. We have got a few days left before bells ring island-wide, and the folks from Flow are ringing in the last week of summer with a project to add some color to your semester or to your term. So tune in for that.
Right, and to the color no one likes, well, in a certain context, the back-to-school blues are about to hit a lot of folks, but we're helping you erase them. Well, Karina, go on from the other day. She's
Erase your fears of the kitchen. Recipe developer Karina Matalan has a few tips.
And the tip of your university life is probably graduating and landing your dream job. But before you make the walk, we help you choose the right career.
Achoo.
I still not choose my
She's fiery.
right career yet.
Achoo?
Yeah,
You didn't choose it, it chose you.
it did actually.
Hot Topics time.
Now,
Vamonos. Oh, who did we talk to the other day? It was SSP Allen.
yeah,
Told us some changes were coming and they're going to clamp down on, illegal operators, clamp down on people with loud cars, on people who are running afoul of the law. I don't know how long this tint argument has been going on.
from 20, when was it? 14, 20. Well, the
Long
rules took
time.
effect 2017. But what the officers are saying is because them went license them vehicle, everybody take it off because the vehicle can't license anytime.
And then they put it back
And
on.
then put it back on right after. And they say even when the police stop them and tell them to take it off, them take it off. And say in quick time, it is back on again. And I suspect, well, you might have to give up something to get something, eh? So you run down, you have, some people might say you want to be doing other more important things than that. But this is, if it is the law, it is the law.
Yes, because there are criminals who harbor
Yeah.
themselves in.
With
There are
you,
things that go on
yeah.
in the buses with the kids that aren't supposed to happen in heavily tinted vehicles. I mean, why do we seem to have a problem with enforcement? Like, if we're doing it, let's just do it.
I don't think them just have enough manpower to cover all the areas that they need to cover.
Gosh.
I don't know.
We are coming across some midnight tints, and when we remove them whenever we come across them, and they replace them no sooner as they drive off from the checkpoint.
Yep.
Why is it so important for you to have such a dark tint on your vehicle?
I have no idea. But just, I mean, I took a picture because I was in traffic the other day. And of course, the taxi man just drive past everybody. And I took a picture. How I see this? Well, I'll show you first.
My word.
Thank you.
Where is that?
It was on Derrymore Road. So I'm in traffic, and we are all in a line. So you see that everybody going the same way, you know. So when you know my boss buck up a man and come the next way, well, him just cuss off the man properly. I tell the man to move out of the way. Well, the man was in the right,
of course,
in his right lane, and the man have to take woodland feet. You know, the man have to almost scrape up his car. No, why you? And there's just a line of traffic, you know, and they can't see, you know. They can't see around the corner, you know. They can't see. So them just start come on the outside.
And I wonder if they're not afraid of death. That's the thing.
No, because they know you're going to move out of the way.
But a blind corner, by the time you realize the car is coming, you've already connected.
Them know you're going to move out the way, and then you don't want to hurt your car. So you can't
hurt yourself.
Yeah, and then one day me just decide, so me nah move. I'm just stay so. I'm going to look for him. When him squeeze, and when him come and roll along my window, I say, boss, well, when him sees me, I'm ready for cuss. I'm just laugh. I say, boss, I saw it going on. And still I had to move out of the way, because if I didn't move, it must be.
There's a very powerful PSA that's making the rounds on social media with a young lady who obviously takes care of her grandmother and her little brother, and she makes her way to school. Making her way to school, crossing the pedestrian crossing, and one of those cars is coming from the outside, and you know what happens. Very powerful PSA. I think we should play it on free to air to really kind of drive it home as to what is going on the road.
All right, what's the next one?
Apparently, we're on alert amid a measles outbreak in the Americas and Europe.
You can get measles after you get it already? You can get it back?
I'm not sure, you know. Why do I think you can? The chances are very, very slim, but I believe it has happened. I'm not sure. But local officials are saying we're on alert in light of these outbreaks. No reported cases locally at this time, but the health minister is saying that the situation is being closely monitored. And in the event that measles is imported, that sounds so strange, Jamaica is prepared to control the disease, so there's no need to worry, no need for alarm. They're making every effort, he says, to maintain unvarying coverage of 95% of the population with the first and second doses of the measles, mumps, rubella, MMR vaccine in all parishes. They're also ensuring that they have a reserve of the MMR vaccine and syringes for control of imported cases, strengthening the units and the support they already have, and ensuring that samples are properly collected and forwarded to the lab.
How do you know you could die from it?
Measles?
It says in 2018.
Yes.
In 2017, there were 149,142 cases reported globally, with the Americas accounting for just 0.6%. It says in 2018, as of August 20, Venezuela has reported 3,545 confirmed cases, including 62 deaths. It says 10 other countries in the region have reported a total of 1,459 confirmed cases, and 6 people have died.
But look what else it can lead to: blindness, meningitis, brain swelling, and death.
I didn't know you could.
It's very serious, and that's why the whole issue of vaccination has been such a topical issue, because some parents don't believe in it. They send their kids to school, the kids have measles. Other children catch it.
For some reason, I can't remember whether I had it or not, but I think I did that, and I hope I don't get it back. Speaking of dying,
I'll be over here.
John McCain, former presidential candidate, actually ran for president twice and lost both times. He's left us because he had a very aggressive, I think it was brain cancer, and he just last week he decided that he wouldn't take any more medication for it. I think he knew that it was just a matter of time. Very strong man. Very strong man.
Called him the maverick of the Senate.
What's up?
And interestingly, the 2 folks who beat him for the presidential nomination for his party
will be
are the two people he asked to eulogize him at his funeral.
Barack Obama and George Bush.
He has asked that President Trump
not be there.
Not be there?
Yeah. He was a prisoner of war. And of course the president said, I kind of prefer the people who never get caught. Why the president? that man must be the worst president of any society in life. Not even student services it should be president of. The man saying prefer the man who never get caught. God.
He prefers the heroes who never got caught.
Yep.
But America is mourning him.
I think a lot of people love him because he's a straight shooter, isn't he?
Yeah. And he stood up at the end for... he was seen to be kind of the only member of the Republican Party, one of the few, some more outgoing, that would speak up for what was right. So they're saying his death has left a huge void because nobody's really stepping up and speaking out in the party right now. So that is that.
All right, birthday time.
Did we not lose also Easton Douglas on the weekend?
Yes, we did. We did lose the former member of parliament and former government member.
Absolutely.
Yeah, Easton Douglas. He had a cancer also.
He also was 81.
Yeah. And condolences. I know his daughter Carrie very well, who is also a councillor for the People's National Party. So condolences to the family. Yep.
Yeah,
I think he was Minister of Housing at one stage.
At one point.
Yeah.
Tributes are pouring in for him. The Prime Minister has said he was a passionate public servant who served Jamaica with honour and dedication. Simpson Miller, former PM, Douglas's contribution to Jamaica's development, particularly in the areas of infrastructure, physical and urban planning and housing, could be equaled but never surpassed.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
All right, time for some birthdays. This very handsome young man had a birthday on Saturday. His name is Jalen Smart. He was 6 years old on Saturday. Jalen, I hope you had a great day. Your mom, your dad, they love you like crazy. And of course,
Hi, Jalen.
Yeah, your goddad is my very good friend, Simon Bennett. So, Jalen, I pray you will live to see many, many more. I'm sure you had a great time. It was Saturday, no school, so you must have had a party. And hopefully you still have some of the cake you can send for us. We don't love peace, to be honest.
Are you going to do this? Because I'm not doing it. The prompter.
You fight against the president.
He's going to find something to say if I say he's going to tell me what he wants for his birthday, and it's going to be sticky, yucky Coulson.
The person who I call the president, just because of his name. Him would have do a better job than Donald Trump, I feel. We're not so certain, because sometimes you get carried away. But
just sometimes.
Yeah. Regina, I hope you had a great day yesterday. I pray you live to see many more.
Is he here?
Yes, he is.
Okay.
Happy birthday, folks.
Happy birthday, Coulson.
Have a great day.